Now the star of this recipe is a plantain. We're gonna make plantain fritters. So when you have your overripe plantains, don't throw them away. Start by peeling the plantain correct. And we're gonna be mashing the plantains. Mash it until it gets to this consistency. We use a potato masher, but you can always also use fork, because that's what we use back home, a fork. So here we have half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon salt, half of a teaspoon nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then here we have 1 beaten egg, a 1/4 cup milk, cow's milk, half cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. So those are all the ingredients we're gonna need. Adding the sugar and mix that into the plantain. Adding the 1 beaten egg, the vanilla, mix. Adding 1 teaspoon lemon juice and mix. Adding the flour. Adding the baking powder, the spices, and mix until well combined. Add in the milk gradually and stir. Stir the milk and stir. Stir until well combined. Usually you do a small test one to see, and then you taste it to see if everything is spices and salt and everything is good in it. Tasted it and it seems like it needs a little bit more filling with putting a tablespoon of flour more. We're adding the first batch. You see you use a tablespoon like that. It's a full tablespoon. And you add it just like that. And repeat the process until done. It gets a little bit messy, you see there? You're returning them. So as you noticed, we fry them in a skillet, cast iron skillet. Can be fried in any pan, of course, but we chose this. It's very good, cast iron. Then make sure that you you get your plate or your container and put your paper towel in it. Line it with your paper towel. First one complete. Second one going in. Another set frying, and we're gonna repeat the process until done. And this is the finished product, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those who have stuck with me all this way, and to the new ones, welcome.